Hey, I have a second channel, Cube Compium TDX.
Hey everybody. So the other day I sat down and turned on the TV to watch some YouTube videos, and of course the YouTube on TV app has an option where you go into subscriptions and you can of course view videos that have been uploaded by your subscription list. And one of the channels in my subscription list is 3DGAMEMAN. And for those who don't know, 3DGAMEMAN is a long time channel. It's way older than my channel, by the way. So for those of you who call my channel old, no, my channel is actually relatively young compared to this one. So 3DGAMEMAN, the guy's real name is Rodney Reynolds, and he has been uploading, or he uploaded videos to the internet of computers, particularly product reviews, reviewing computer components like motherboards, CPUs, graphics cards, accessories, fans, power supplies, you name it, he reviewed it. He also did videos of overclocking and experimenting with stuff. I mean, I think his first video reviewing a product, a computer component, was uploaded I think in 2000. So well before YouTube even existed. He had his videos hosted on a different site, but when YouTube came to exist, he of course started his channel 3DGAMEMAN, and of course he uploaded thousands upon thousands of videos, from product reviews to Q&As, stuff like that. And one day in 2016, it's just like nothing else ever got uploaded. The channel was still up, but it's just like overnight he stopped uploading videos. And of course he had, I say he had a pretty good following on YouTube. But the interesting thing is, in like the past couple weeks, it seemed like he started uploading videos again. And I noticed this when I was going through the subscription list on the TV. I happened to see when I went past 3DGAMEMAN's channel, I happened to see a lot of the sudden new videos. I'm like, oh, okay. Because in the back of my mind, one thing I've wondered about him is, how he's doing. And I watched a couple of his videos here recently, and it seems like Rodney's doing pretty well. He's spending some time outdoors and doing some neat stuff. And of course, I'll try to put a link up here where you can go straight to his channel. So, for those who have been into computers for many years, particularly, of course, in the 2000s, may know this channel. I'll be honest with you, 3DGAMEMAN's channel was, I want to say that his videos sort of inspired me not only just to get into computers. I was already into computers by the time I come across his channel, but it inspired me more to get into YouTube videos. If you go back and look at some of my oldest uploads on Cube Computer channel, you'll see how I did sort of like mock reviews of the Cube Computer Plexi or the Mid-Tower Lux. Matter of fact, the oldest video on Cube Computer channel was an upload that was originally posted in March 2007, where I did this video review of the Cube Computer Plexi, and also I did some video reviews of the Mid-Tower Lux back in its early days. If you look back at some of those videos, you can kind of and then go look at some of the older 3DGAMEMAN videos. You can kind of see sort of a resemblance there. So it's safe to say that 3DGAMEMAN's channel sort of inspired me to do YouTube videos. It inspired to get into uploading like I do, and actually building a pretty decent channel. Now, of course, so Rodney's situation, he the videos, the video, posting all the videos and stuff, it really just got to him, and he needed to step away from it and take a break from it. And of course, I couldn't blame him. And to be honest, I mean, life gets in the way. Sometimes you just gotta sit back and focus on other things, and that's kind of one of the reasons why I haven't been posting here lately on the channel. Of course, I've got the home project, and with, of course, spring here, I've been getting outside and doing more stuff outdoors. Working on stuff out in the yard, and just doing stuff outside, like playing basketball and things like that, trying to get some exercise, about to get back into bike riding and stuff like that. But so yeah, 3D Game Man, I have to say that channel, it's I'm happy to see Rodney get back on YouTube, and of course I think he said he has a Patreon page now that he's mostly on. But yeah, for those who have been into computers for a pretty good long time and have ever heard of this channel, you might be interested to know that Rodney's doing well. He's posting videos again. I'm happy to see him back on YouTube. Happy to see he's doing well. And if he doesn't get back into doing, of course, videos like he used to, of course, I can definitely understand. But I just wanted to make this little video because I was, like I say, when I was on looking through stuff on the TV and happened to come across his channel on my subscription list and saw some new videos, I was like, whoa. Because, I mean, think about it. I mean, he hadn't uploaded since 2016, I think it was. I mean, back in 2016, that was the year that I was moving into my own place out of my parents' house. Moving into the old single wide that used to be here. So that summer, I was mostly caught up in that. And of course, I didn't officially move into the old place back until the fall of 2016. So 2016, kind of like 2021, was busy for me in regards to home improvement, if you want to call it that. The single wide, of course, that I used to live in, it was purchased as is, where is. It was hadn't been lived in for many years, and utilities were off, and it needed a little bit of work done to it. So I was spending a good bit of 2016 working on that, and of course moving into my own place back then. So yeah, 2016, crazy how long ago that's been. So anyways, I figured maybe some of you guys would be interested to know about 3DGAMEMAN. And every once in a while, just for fun, I always like to go back and look at his old videos, because it's for those who've been into computers for many years, it's always so fun just to go back and look at how far things have come as far as hardware goes. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.
Well, everybody, that wraps it up for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the computer channel, and be sure to tick that bell so you'll get notified when new videos are posted. Also, don't forget, I have a whole lot of other interesting videos here on the channel to check out. And also, in addition, I have a second channel, CubeComp where I have all sorts of other videos not exactly related to technology. Links to the channels are available at the end of this video. Again, I thank you for your support, and thanks for watching this video.